Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on my channel, and we're going to have some fun. It's range day again. So what we'll be reviewing today is ZVS 9mm Luger Ammunition. We'll be using this in my Glock 19 Gen 3. So what we'll do is we'll have a look down low, just a close-up, and then we'll take it to the range. Let's do it. So this is the ZVS 9mm Luger Ammunition. It is full metal jacket and 124 grain. Just open it up here. Okay, so the projectile looks pretty fine, no issues, and also brass tipped. Okay, so just to show you guys, because last time I was loading it up by hand, you get this handy dandy speed loader with your Glock. And then how it works is you basically just get it in there, put in your ammunition. Right, so you basically just press down, put the bullet to be seated, and then you press it back. That's it. And you go like that all the way till there's 15 in this bad boy. Okay. Right guys, so without further ado, let's go have some fun. Hey guys, so we're here at F&J shooting range. I'm gonna start out with the Glock 19 Gen 3 and with the ZVS 9mm Luger Ammunition. Brett here is assisting me. Say hi, Brett.
Hi.
So Brett is with me, and yeah, he'll be my cameraman for today. Okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, ZVS ammunition, I have gone through probably about, I think, yeah, don't want to lie, I think about 150 or so of the ammunition. And yeah, as you guys saw, I was not taking my time, no issues, no malfunction, happy days. Okay, so we've had a look at the ZVS ammunition, no disappointment there. We did about 100 rounds with them and not one issue. So no malfunction. I believe it can be either attributed to the firearm itself, the Glock 19 Gen 3 having such a powerful hit on the rear side of the ammunition, or the ammunition is just great. But for range ammunition, perfect guys, no issues. Just to recap, for my self-defense ammunition, I do use hollow points, and contrary to popular belief, it's not to make big holes in something. The idea with hollow point ammunition is that you don't want over penetration by accident. And in other words, if there is something that needs a hole in it, you want your projectile to stop in that thing that needs the hole in it, and not go through and accidentally make a hole in something that you didn't want to put a hole in, if I can put it like that. But yeah, so ZVS, thumbs up from me, had some fun with it, and guys, thank you for stopping by. Have an awesome day.